Hi, in this video we will learn what is project management. In today's world, if we look around, there are a number of projects going all around us. All these projects need a manager, someone who can manage every aspect of the project from inception till closure. In simple words, project management is about knowing what you want to achieve, how we want to achieve, how long you are going to take, and how you are going to keep all the stakeholders on the same page. When it comes to project management, there are four main aspects. Number one, to fulfill any project, you need to identify scope and define it. This is called identifying the requirements. Point number two, you need to establish clear and achievable objectives. After identifying the requirements, you need to identify scope in terms of achievable and measurable objectives. Point 3. Often in a project, things are interrelated. So you need to keep a balance of all the moving parts in a project. You need to balance risk, scope, quality, resources, and the stakeholders. Point 4. Your project will have multiple stakeholders. So you need to address the various needs, concerns, and expectations of the stakeholders in planning and executing the project. Let us go through one example to further refine our understanding of project management. Suppose you are a project manager in a construction company and you are asked to build a 5-story building. For the first stage, you will need to find out what resources you need, what skill set should they possess, what kind of material resources you would need, what are the equipment you need, and what are the timelines and the quality requirements from the stakeholders. You will then set a goal that with all the available resources, we need to finish this project by the accepted timeline. While the project is going on, you would need to keep an eye on quality, the budget, resources, and the risks involved. For example, if a bad weather stalls the project, how are you going to keep the pace? You would need to maintain a balance between all the aspects of the project. You would need to work in tandem with all the stakeholders. As a project manager, you would need to carry out communication among stakeholders that are active, effective, and collaborative in nature. Differences would need to be resolved keeping in mind the project objectives. Hope you find this video useful. Stay tuned with us to learn more about the other topics.